Attorney Moore, what would you tell a Russian billionaire about how long they're going to have to wait to get their yachts back, or if they're ever getting their yachts back?
Well, I think it's going to be a process. I think the long arm of the Department of Justice of the United States does have global reach, and once arrested or seized, depending on which procedure is used, it will be a process. It will take some time.
And what happens to these boats now? They need massive crews and daily maintenance all over the vessel. What happens now when they've been seized?
Well, it's a good question, because as you correctly stated, they do need care and feeding. They need lots of attention, lots of things that yachts require, like maintenance, dockage, insurance, crew, things that keep them up and running. They are movable assets, but as you stated in your introduction, you can't really hide these vessels. You can see them from computer-generated systems that identify their location. Also, every port in the world keeps a record of what yachts enter and leave. So they will really have nowhere to run to, nowhere to hide. Once seized by the United States government, in cooperation in many cases with the governments of the waters that they are in, like Jolo, this Malaysian Development Fund owner of a yacht called Equanimity. You have the local governments cooperate with the United States, and vice versa, to seize these assets.
And, when they tow our cars, they can just leave them in the tow lot until we get there. And the worst that's going to happen is that there'll be some dirt on them. Cars don't need anything. These things are like infant babies. I mean, if they are ignored on the dock, that means they are not just depreciating, they are deteriorating significantly if they're not getting all of that daily maintenance.
Right. That's right. They're hemorrhaging money. This is true. Of every yacht that you mentioned, that you would have to be a billionaire to own those yachts. So the cost of carry is staggering. It's $750,000 a month to $1 million a month. It's not unusual. And as you stated, it's a constant care and feeding to keep them from deteriorating. And they do deteriorate rapidly. They're in very hostile environments, saltwater environments, an inherently hostile environment. And if the crew is not, these are working people. They may not even fully understand who owns the yacht, who's the beneficial owner. So the crew will literally be in the dark on that issue. So they would just do their job until they're not paid. And at that point, they will have to make other arrangements.